Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will tell you that how to replace the word powered by Shopify with your own text, or if you want to remove this text, I mean the powered by Shopify text, then this video is for you. And in this video I will tell you the whole process to remove this word or paragraph, or to replace this paragraph with your own paragraph like all rights reserved. Okay, so for this you must have to log into your Shopify store and then click on the online store option. In online store option you will see another option which is customize, and with customize there are three dots. Click on three dots and click on edit code option. After clicking on this, you will find out a file named as footer.liquid. Okay, normally it is contained in sections folder of the Shopify. So let me find out. Here is the footer.liquid file. Okay, just click on it and you will see the footer.liquid file. Okay, now there are a lot of lines of code to edit the footer.liquid file, but I want to replace the exactly this line with my own text. So first of all I will find out the exact line at the backend of the code. So for this I will check out the class name or something like this, so that I can find out the actual line of code in liquid dot sorry in footer dot liquid file. Okay, so when I will click on right click on the powered by Shopify, I will find out the class copyright content. So you will use this class to find out the actual code in the footer dot liquid file. So just copy this and here go to the footer.liquid file and click on any area of the footer.liquid file and click on and then find out this line. So click Control plus F. Okay, then put Control V and then next. You will find out the file name, sorry, the line which will contain the word copyright content. So here are two or three lines, but I will find out this line in which there is a text written by powered by link. Okay, so now this line is actually showing the paragraph written as powered by Shopify. So I want to replace with my own paragraph. So I have to delete this or simply comment this line so that this line disappear from the front end. So I will remove this line. Okay, and then we'll save, and now you will see the powered by Shopify is totally removed. Here it is removed, but I want to replace this paragraph with my own paragraph. So go back to the file and then within this small tag write your own paragraph like all rights reserved. Okay, and just put a little bit space before this and then click on save. Now refresh the front page and you will see all rights reserved paragraph is showing instead of powered by Shopify. So this is a simple video to replace the text powered by Shopify with your own text, or simply you can remove the paragraph by simply deleting that line of code from the footer.liquid file. Hopefully you will find out this video very helpful. Thank you very much.